What's going on, y'all? I'm gonna show y'all in this video how I disinfect my seat belts at times like this. I know a lady died, a young girl around in her 30s, died from COVID today. So I'm gonna show you guys that COVID still going very, very powerful, very strong out here. So I'm gonna show you guys something here. You're gonna want to disinfect your seat belts. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. As you can see, the seat belt is not really dirty. But we disinfect these seat belts. Take them, spray them. I'm using odor band here. I'm using odor band cleaner. Spray the seat belt. That's how I do it. Disinfect the seat belt. It's like soap. Now let's take them and hold them like this. Hope you guys can see pretty good here. It's like soap. See here? It's wrapped around somebody else's body. So I put that odor band, clean up the grease on them. It kills germs as well as odor. And this is how I disinfect my seat belts. See here? I want to share that with y'all, man. That's how you disinfect your seat belts, man. Because you don't never know who done put them around them. Stuff like this, disinfect it. Odor band, good stuff, guys. Disinfect everything with it. You can get it by the gallon as well. So I like to disinfect everything in the vehicle when I first get it. Every little thing. Here we go. That's how you disinfect your seat belts, man. That's how we do it, see here. Get some odor band, man. Just a little short video how you disinfect your seat belts. And what this do, once you spray this stuff on your seat belts, kill germs. Kill all kinds of germs. So, till next time, short video. Hit y'all on the next one, man. I'm out. Peace.